Alright, this morning I have the cam bearings installed in James Green's stock rebuild next to James Pointer's long rod stroker. And if you look at Mr. James Pointer, this is ultra smooth, very little drag, beautiful. Then you have this flat tappet cam. It still spins, but it's got some more drag. Not too much drag where I wouldn't run it. But I had to put a rag on there at first so I wouldn't slice my hand open. On the cam gear, it's kind of sharp, but it does rotate, but it's a little bit tighter than the flat tappet, and I've seen it, or done the roller. I've seen both of them go one way or the other. And again, like I said yesterday, it's just the variance between the cam bore, the cam bearing, and the journal diameter of the cam, which all are within spec, but if they're all on the tight side of spec, they will be tighter.